Good morning, Carl Wessels here. We're going to talk about a product called TeamViewer and how it can help us help you. So let's get busy. We're going to send you an email that will get you a link to teamviewer.com, or you can just Google TeamViewer, download Windows, and it will get you to this website. And you want to accept the cookies. You want to hit the green download button. You want to ignore any ads that try to get you to buy it. We've already paid for it. Click the execute button. Hold on just a moment. I want to fix this. All right, so we're going to try the default installation this time. Yes. And we only need the TeamViewer for personal use because we already have the license for it. Close. Should have created a icon. Okay, so your ID and password is what we're going to need. We want to make sure that Start TeamViewer with Windows is up and remote control is checked. And if you'll give us this number and this password, show you what happens here. Turn off screen share here. Okay, so you've got your computer at home. We've got access to it via screen share. Hang on a second, let me put my license number back in. Yeah, it's got tight security because I had to use the Authenticator app and get a code on that. So it's very good security. It's not anybody who can just access your computer. So it is tight security to this. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. So once we have the code for your computer and the password, we can take that code and hit connect here, and voila, there is access to your computer. And on your computer, we can pull up your QuickBooks and get busy fixing your problems for your day. So it is a great little product. Call us if you have any questions. Again, we'll send you the link and be on the phone with you if you have any trouble. And anyway, I hope this is helpful. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.